Apple AAPL plus 1.55% has spent months teasing its new iPhones, and we have now even seen official images. That said, while the company's ambitions for them are clearly high, and prices are low, Apple has had to warn customers of a more clear and present danger to existing models. Taking to its official website, Apple warned customers that models of its iPhone 8 contain logic boards with a manufacturing defect. Affected devices may experience unexpected restarts, a frozen screen, or won't turn on. Interestingly, Apple says it has determined that only a very small percentage of iPhone 8 models are affected. That said, this is language the company uses regularly. Most recently it described the infamous MacBook butterfly keyboard debacle the same way. Tellingly, Apple says the issue impacts iPhone 8 models made across a 6-month time period between September 2017 and March 2018, in China, Hong Kong, India, Japan, Macau, New Zealand, and the US. The good news is Apple has a simple way to check your phone's eligibility. You simply enter the serial number in its checker and Apple will repair it, free of charge. The service will also be available to owners for 3 years after the first retail sale of the unit, and the iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone X are not impacted. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next with more exciting videos. Thank you.